In 2026, passive income isn't about getting rich without effort. It's about building smart systems that keep paying you long after the work is done. The old ideas are fading and only strategies backed by automation, ownership, and real demand are still working. From artificial intelligence-powered digital assets to scalable online businesses, passive income has evolved into something more realistic, more strategic, and more powerful. In this video, we're breaking down passive income ideas that actually work in 2026. No hype, no shortcuts, just proven models built for the future. Today, we will talk about passive income ideas that actually work in 2026. 1. Artificial intelligence assisted content websites. In 2026, content websites remain one of the strongest passive income assets, but the approach has evolved. Generic blogs are dead. What works now are artificial intelligence assisted, human-optimized niche authority sites. These websites target specific problems, industries, or communities and monetize through ads, affiliate links, digital products, and lead generation. Artificial intelligence tools now help with keyword research, outlines, content updates, and SEO optimization, dramatically reducing workload. However, human strategy, originality, and experience are what separate profitable sites from failures. Once a site ranks, it can generate income for years with minimal maintenance. The key advantage is ownership. Traffic is an asset, not rented attention. 2. Digital products built once, sold infinitely. Digital products remain one of the most reliable passive income streams in 2026. This includes ebooks, templates, spreadsheets, prompts, checklists, Notion dashboards, stock assets, and educational guides. What has changed is product quality and specificity. Broad products fail. Narrow, problem-solving products thrive. People now pay for speed, clarity, and outcomes. A well-made digital product can be created once and sold thousands of times with no inventory, no shipping, and near zero overhead. Automation tools handle delivery, payments, and customer access, making this income extremely scalable. 3. YouTube automation channels without being on camera. YouTube remains one of the most powerful passive income platforms in 2026, especially faceless automation channels. These channels rely on scripts, voiceovers, visuals, and editing systems rather than personal branding. Niches like finance, luxury, storytelling, documentaries, history, and facts continue to perform well. Once videos are published, they can earn ad revenue for years. Older videos often outperform new ones due to accumulated watch time and algorithm trust. The key to success is consistency, strong hooks, and retention-focused storytelling. While setup requires effort, long-term income becomes increasingly passive as the library grows. 4. Print-on-demand brands with evergreen designs. Print-on-demand (POD) still works in 2026, but not with generic slogans. Successful POD brands focus on identity, emotions, niches, and communities. Examples include mental health messages, faith-based designs, profession-specific humor, regional pride, or minimalist art. Once designs are created and uploaded, fulfillment is fully automated. Products are printed and shipped only after a sale, eliminating inventory risk. The most successful sellers treat POD like a brand, not a hustle, testing designs, running evergreen ads, and optimizing listings for long-term sales. 5. Dividend growth investing. Dividend income continues to work in 2026 because it is based on ownership of cash-flowing businesses. Companies that consistently grow earnings and dividends provide reliable income regardless of market cycles. While this method requires capital, it is one of the most hands-off income streams once established. Dividend reinvestment compounds wealth quietly over time. The real power lies in patience and consistency. This is not fast money, but it is among the most predictable and stress-free forms of passive income available. 6. High-interest digital savings and cash management. In 2026, digital banking platforms offer smarter cash management tools that generate passive income through interest, yield optimization, and automated allocations. While returns are modest compared to risk assets, this method provides liquidity, stability, and safety. This income stream works best as a foundation rather than a primary strategy. It protects capital while still earning something, making it ideal for emergency funds and short-term reserves. 7. Online courses built around real skills. Online education continues to grow in 2026, but only courses that solve specific, valuable problems succeed. Generic motivation courses fail. Skill-based courses tied to income, efficiency, or career leverage thrive. Once recorded and hosted, courses can sell repeatedly with minimal updates. Artificial intelligence tools now help create outlines, slides, quizzes, and even student support, increasing scalability. The strongest courses are based on real experience and clear transformation rather than theory. 8. Affiliate marketing through trusted platforms. Affiliate marketing still works, but trust is everything in 2026. Platforms like blogs, YouTube, email newsletters, and niche communities drive consistent affiliate income when recommendations are honest and aligned with audience needs. The most effective affiliates focus on comparison content, tutorials, case studies, and long-term reviews. Once content ranks or gains traction, affiliate commissions can continue passively for years. This model works best when combined with SEO or evergreen video content. 9. Stock media. Stock media has expanded beyond photos into videos, sound effects, music loops, artificial intelligence datasets, and digital assets. Creators upload once and earn repeatedly whenever their asset is licensed. While competition is high, niche demand remains strong. Assets tied to business use, education, marketing, and technology perform best. The key advantage is long lifespan. Some assets earn for many years with no additional work. 10. Micro SaaS and no-code tools. In 2026, micro SaaS products built with no-code or low-code tools generate powerful passive income. These are small software tools solving narrow problems for specific audiences. Pricing calculators, analytics dashboards, automation scripts, or productivity tools. Once built and stabilized, these tools require minimal maintenance while generating recurring subscription revenue. The value lies in monthly recurring income, which compounds predictably over time. And these were the best passive income ideas. Which one suits you best? If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.